Welcome back to Beachside 365, where the sand, sea, and sunshine never stop, and where your four-legged friends are always welcome too. Today, we're exploring the top pet-friendly beaches in the Pacific, from the sun-soaked coastlines of California to the misty shores of Washington. Let's dive in. Number 1, Carmel Beach, Carmel by the Sea, California. If you dream of letting your pup run free on soft white sand, Carmel Beach is pure paradise. Dogs are allowed off-leash year-round as long as they respond to voice commands. The beach is easy to reach from downtown Carmel with nearby parking, restrooms, and even pet-friendly cafes and shops. The best time to visit? Between May and October, when the coastal fog lifts and the sunsets are spectacular. Number 2, Coronado Dog Beach, San Diego, California. Just across the bridge from San Diego, Coronado Dog Beach is a local favorite. It offers restrooms, rinse stations, and golden sand that stretches for miles. Your dogs can run off-leash in designated zones, and it's open from early morning to late evening. Visit in spring or fall to enjoy cooler weather and smaller crowds. Number 3, Huntington Dog Beach, Huntington Beach, California. This legendary surf town has a beach just for dogs, complete with fountains, waste bags, and plenty of wagging tails. Parking is easy, and nearby paths make long walks a breeze. Plan your visit in spring or fall for the most comfortable temperatures and fewer beachgoers. Number 4, Leo Carrillo State Beach, Malibu, California. Nestled along the Pacific Coast Highway, Leo Carrillo offers a beautiful mix of sand, cliffs, and tide pools. Dogs on leash are welcome north of Lifeguard Tower 3. With picnic areas and restrooms, it's ideal for a day trip. Spring through early autumn is the perfect time to visit this Malibu gem. Number 5, Cayucos Dog Beach, Central California. Just north of Morro Bay, Cayucos Dog Beach, also known as Toro Creek, is a local secret. It's easy to reach by car, has simple parking, and welcomes dogs to run and splash in the surf. While amenities are limited, the peaceful setting makes up for it. Late spring through early fall offers the warmest, calmest days. Number 6, Double Bluff Beach, Whidbey Island, Washington. A ferry ride from the mainland takes you to one of the most scenic, dog-friendly beaches in the Pacific Northwest. Double Bluff offers wide, sandy shores, a rent station, and off-leash freedom. It's best enjoyed from May through September when the weather is mild and dry. Number 7, Magnuson Park Beach, Seattle, Washington. In the heart of Seattle lies a rare gem, a fenced-off leash beach with walking trails and water access. It's perfect for pups who love swimming or socializing. Summer months bring the best conditions for a sunny stroll by Lake Washington. Number 8, Ruby Beach, Olympic Peninsula, Washington. For adventurous pets and their people, Ruby Beach delivers a wild coastal experience. Accessible through the forest in Olympic National Park, it offers driftwood, tide pools, and incredible scenery. Dogs are allowed on leash, and late summer is ideal for dry, pleasant weather. Whether you're road tripping the California coast or exploring the foggy beaches of the Pacific Northwest, these destinations prove that adventure is better when shared with your furry best friend. Don't forget water, shade, and plenty of treats, and always clean up after your pup to keep paradise pristine. If you love traveling with pets, subscribe to Beachside 365, like this video, and ring the notification bell for more travel tips and beach adventures.